Hello everybody, welcome back to All Things Shazzy. If you are new here, please subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and let's make these cookies and cream chocolate covered strawberries. Right, so starting off, I do have a pack of Oreos here, so we are first going to crumble up some Oreos. Don't worry, if you don't have a food processor, you can just put them in like a plastic bag and use something hard to crush them up, like a cookie roller, the dough roller, and just roll it all over the bag until they become crumbly and crumbs. My food processor cord would not reach the plug from my iron, so I had to use my blender here. So I went ahead and blend them up until it became real fine. There will be some bits of crumbs in there, which is okay for the chocolate, but for the most part, you want them to be really, really fine for this process. Okay, so I have some melted chocolate here. This chocolate I did use my melting pot for, and I just poured some into a cup. So using the cookie crumble, the Oreo crumble that we crumbled up just a moment ago, I just added a couple of teaspoons to the chocolate, and I am just going to go ahead and stir it up until it's nice and well blended together. Okay, and so I have some strawberries that I have already cleaned. I do clean my strawberries in vinegar. I will link a video to that above as well. And so now I am just making sure they are completely dry, because you do not want to dip wet strawberries, you guys. Right, so I have a toothpick inserted, and after I dried it off completely, I'm just going to go ahead and dip it into the chocolate that has the cookie mixture in it. And I'm just going to do the same thing for the rest of them. And for the first one, you can see that I didn't scrape the bottom. So this one, when I dip it, I'm just going to scrape the bottom. That is just another way that you can do it. Just to keep your chocolate covered strawberries nice and neat, I just scraped it along the side. And while you're dipping, like if you start to get to the bottom of your cup or your dish, whatever you're using to dip your strawberries in or to host your chocolate, you can add more cookie if needed. Because as you can see, this one had more white streaks, so what I did was just added a little bit more cookie to it and mixed it up. And if your chocolate starts to seize, you can just microwave this for about 10 seconds just to get it back to a smooth consistency. Okay, so we're going to leave those plain just like that, and now we're going to add some cookie crumble to it. So I didn't use all of the cookie that I crumbled up. I crumbled up those that much for the purpose of adding some toppings to some of the strawberries. So I'm just going to add a little bit of cookie topping to the strawberry. You can coat this in full if you want, but I'm not going to do that, because when I'm done adding just a little bit of cookie crumble to the top, I'm just going to drizzle some chocolate over the top of it, which I showed that in another video. I totally thought my camera was recording when I did the drizzle, so you guys won't see that here. But if you want to see how to drizzle chocolate, you can just click the link for the video that's in the description box below. Okay, that's it, you guys. That is so easy, so simple. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. These turned out so beautiful, so pretty. My customers gonna love them. All right, so I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.